Hey Mark, this is Johnny. Just wanted to show you a thing or two we found on your Odyssey. I'm going to start out with the shocks. Now, this shock, get my light on it. You can see where it's attracting dirt. Focus that. Because it's a little bit moist. Not extremely wet, but you can just tell it's starting to leak, and it's gotten to right down about here is where the fluid goes. Comparing that with the other one, which, if I can get my camera in the right place, is drenched all the way down. This is just a sign that the shocks are going bad. You can see the right side is the liquid pretty much reaches to the bottom of it here. So recommend replacing these as a set, and I'll talk to you about that in more detail over the phone. Alright, well, to address your original concern about the door, we found a pretty simple reason it's not working. I'm going to put this right here, and you can see right there, let me refocus this, there is a rubber stopper that keeps this from going back too far. Now that's on the left side where it is. Or the left side. I'm going to show you on the right side. We don't have one there. Right there where you see that little hole is where it should exist. So that could have fallen out during the repair. It could have fallen out at another time, but it's basically confused your car's computer. And once we replace that rubber stopper and relearn the software, just basically teach it how to think again, then you'll be all set.